Hello and welcome to today's Absen product launch. My name is Darren Banks, Industry Development Director for the Corporate Markets for Europe, and today I will be your host for not one but two new Absenicon all-in-one product launches. Firstly, I would like to set the scene for the product launch by having a very high look at the evolution of large format displays in the corporate meeting room. As we can see from the slide, the first evolution in this market was the onset of large format projection in meeting rooms, which really resolved the problem of crowding around a small desktop monitor. But again, this was fraught with challenges such as the requirement to have the meeting room lights off. Then came the second stage, which was the tileable LCD video wall panels. Again, this resolved challenges of being able to have the house lights on, but ultimately there were challenges with multiple bezels and also service challenges around the product as well. Then came the third stage, which was single panel large format LCDs, but again, these were limited to a certain size and they were also not scalable too. And now we enter the fourth stage, which is direct view LED, and this resolves all of the historical challenges we had with displays and eliminates a lot of the challenges associated with meeting room displays as well. And now we can take a look at the LED chip technology evolution. Again, a very high level view, but it illustrates the rapid development of LED technology in recent years. Firstly, we had DIP technology, which was around in the 1980s. This was a very bright but very coarse technology associated with outdoor applications. Then came SMD technology, which really started in the 1990s. And this technology is using red, green, and blue pixels in a single package. And this really allowed LED manufacturers to focus on narrow pixel pitch applications and indoor applications. And around about 15 years after the start of the SMD market, we saw the introduction of IMD, Integrated Matrix Device. This technology was using the latest mini pixels, but using a cluster of RGB pixels in each package. And then coming right up to date from 2016 onwards, we have the fourth stage of the chip evolution, which is using chip on board or flip chip on board technology. This technology really focused on the additional benefits of improved color, improved contrast, reduced moire, and also importantly as well, reduced power consumption for the LED displays. And the new product launch today is focusing on chip on board technology, which is, like I say, the most up-to-date technology we have in the LED display world. A few applications. The Icon series can be used in many applications, which are shown on screen now. These are mainly meeting rooms, boardrooms, lecture theatres, auditoriums. But in reality, it can be used for any requirement for a large format display of 110 inches or above. And now I've set the scene for the products. I'd like to move on to the first exciting product launch, which is the Absenicon X Series. The X Series is a premium all-in-one direct view LED based on chip-on-board technology, designed specifically for the corporates, enterprise, and education markets. The Icon X uses the latest chip-on-board technology with flip chip design, which we will delve into and explore in further slides. The headline specifications is a HD resolution. It comes in three standard product sizes of 108-inch, 135-inch, and 163-inch. And as the product is based on chip-on-board technology, we've also developed an interactive system which allows the presenter to control and present directly from the front of the room. The Icon X is also packed with features for the corporate and meeting room space. And again, we will look at these in more detail in the coming slides. And finally, we call the Icon X an all-in-one display. And whilst we refer to the product as an all-in-one display, it actually comes as a modular kit, which allows it to be installed in awkward applications where you would never get a single large format screen into that space. The flip chip on board technology allows stunning visuals. It allows the screen to stay cool, reduce power consumption. It also adds protection for external impact. It allows the system to be cleaned ultimately, and this reduces the cost of ownership for the client. The black level performance on the Icon X is due to the black polymer coating, which encapsulates the pixels on the modules. And this non-reflective black coating adds an intense black immersion, perfect level black consistency, an ultra-high contrast performance, and it really ensures the content can be viewed as the content creator intended. Stunning visuals, the easy on the eye new Icon X series designed to reduce eye fatigue, and it boasts features including ultra-wide viewing angle, intelligent light sensor, which ensures the screen is never too bright or never too dull for the environment. It has a reduced moire effect and low blue light mode, which all result in a comfortable viewing experience for the audience and also the presenter. These are particularly important in high-use applications such as executive briefing rooms, boardrooms, collaboration rooms, and other high-use applications. Thanks to the latest generation of flip chip on board technology, most of the heat is dissipated directly through the PCB, which ensures that the temperature in the screen is very low, very close to human body temperature, and there's no feeling of heat whatsoever when touching the screen, and it also doesn't include or increase the environment, the heat in the environment the screen's actually in. This is really important as it reduces the requirement for any HVAC and AC requirements in the space. Thanks to the chip-on-board treatment process, the screen surface can withstand a variety of environmental challenges with impact resistance, IP65 rating, dustproof, anti-oxidization, and anti-static characteristics, all of which achieve ultra-long service life, ultra-low maintenance, which reduces the cost of ownership for the customer. As an optional extra, the Icon X offers an intelligent touch system, which allows the user to control the meeting room from the front of the room itself. And the system comes with a whiteboard application, but is also fully compatible with all third-party software packages, such as Microsoft 365 and others. The intelligent but basic remote control makes the screen easy to use and can be connected by either infrared or Bluetooth, has a control distance of 20 meters, and this allows the customer to control basic features such as on, off, source, brightness adjustments, and so forth. And again, this really allows the user to be comfortable with the screen, and essentially it's as convenient as controlling a TV or large format display. Also, with the addition of an Ethernet control protocol, the Icon X is fully compatible and easy to integrate with third-party control systems, such as Extron and Crestron, which really save the integrator time and money when integrating the system into the application. Using well-known eShare software, users can cast up to 9 images simultaneously from participants' devices for team review and collaboration. This is perfect for those ad hoc and quick collaboration meetings. This can all be achieved with no need for additional hardware, tools, and is very easy to set up. The powerful Android or Windows module will enhance the performance and reliability of the operating system. The Android module provides a straightforward way of human-computer interaction, whereas the PC module allows greater security, broader compatibility, and a more powerful performance. Absen Green is a new green initiative that brings together its industry-leading efforts in sustainability, environmental protection, energy efficiency, and corporate social responsibility, and really reaffirms its commitment to a better future for all. Energy saving is achieved by a combination of 3 technological innovations. Absen Green is the green concept that Absen has always advocated, advocating the sustainable development of the global environment and the green environmental protection standard for the LED display industry. Absenicon uses multiple innovation green-saving technologies that save up to 40% of energy under the same conditions. This includes dynamic energy-saving technology, dynamic adjustment of output content and current, black screen energy-saving technology, and really importantly, a standby mode power consumption of less than 0.5 watts. At the same time, wooden box packaging is abandoned, and recyclable carton packaging materials are committed to contributing to energy-saving conservation and low carbon. And now for part 2 of the product launch, which covers the Icon M series, which is designed specifically for the residential and home cinema markets. The key differences between M and X series is the M series is optimized for 4K resolution and contains a feature set specifically beneficial for the home cinema user. So now we can have a look at the M series features collection. So very similar to the X series, it uses flip chip on board technology. It comes in 3 standard sizes, so 138-inch, 165-inch, and 220-inch in sizes. It also has a very high 98% screen-to-body ratio. It has high storage capacity from the processing side of things, and it also comes with a theatrical sound system. Again, all of these features are designed specifically for the luxury and the high-end residential home cinema markets. With this latest edition of our new M and X series, we now have a very comprehensive range of all-in-one displays for a variety of price and performance levels. The premium range is based on COB chip-on-board technology, which speaks to the performance end of applications, and the mainstream and value ranges are based on SMD technology, which address the more price-sensitive markets, such as education and commercial applications. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to your local teams. It's been a delight hosting you for this new product launch today. Thank you very much for your time.